it is always a challenge to speak after lunch. And the host Preeti Kaikwad has cast this responsibility upon me. I am wondering what to talk to you, how to talk to you, but the message which I wanted to convey to you was very simple. I just wanted to utilize this opportunity to tell you about what Government of Telangana is proposing in the startup space. That is you see there are many players in it. I believe today is an occasion where crowdfunding is being discussed. So in that entire startup ecosystem, there are a large number of players. There could be venture funds, angel investors, there are mentors, and there are different type of people who work which ensure that a startup becomes successful. So our minister, Shri K.T. Ramarao, he very fondly says that Telangana is a startup state because we were born on June 2nd, 2014. And as a startup state, which has to do a lot of catching up with the rest of the country, we should think innovatively, not follow the rule. So one of the things that we as a startup, which is a young state, is trying to do is to connect with the startups. The aspirations, the idea is that if of these startups, one startup, suppose from Hyderabad, becomes a Yahoo or a Google or an Amazon, then Hyderabad could be the headquarters of an international organization. So that will be the advantage for the state, because many times people wonder what the state should do in the startups. We are some of the most bureaucratic, rule-minded organizations, and we are dealing with youngsters who are full of creativity, who think out of the box. So in fact, there could not be better opposites than the government and a startup. Government is absolutely authoritarian, rule-bound, and here you have creativity, networking. But we have a selfish desire. And the basic selfish desire I outlined is that we hope that of all the startups, even if within 5 years or 10 years, a multinational company emerges out of India or out of Hyderabad, it will be enough to generate the type of employment and revenue it will generate. It more than makes up all the investment that it does. So with this in our mind, we are creating what we believe as the biggest incubator in India as of now. About 70,000 square feet of space in IIIT Hyderabad, which already is running the biggest incubator of Hyderabad. There, in addition to the 25,000 square feet of space where they are running an incubator, we are constructing 70,000 space in a very creative environment. I'm sure youngsters will appreciate that environment. And we are also connecting with different organizations who will provide stimuli to this startup system. Number one, what we have done is, we have tried to connect to the best academic institutions which this city has. Namely, in IIT Hyderabad, which ranks amongst the top IT institutes in the country, in management ISB Hyderabad, and in law and IP Nalsar. So all these three directors are on the board of T-Hub. Besides that, also the biggest entrepreneurs who have emerged out of Hyderabad. Right now we have Mr. BVR Mohan Reddy, who runs Scient, Sashi Reddy, and Tech Mahindra, or earlier Satyam, not Tech Mahindra, CP Gurnani. All these three people are also on our board. But I would like to say that this is not a Hyderabad focused entity. We wanted to attract national and international attention. So we still have positions which are open in the board. We started with Hyderabad because when we went outside, people said, you have not taken your Hyderabad people on board. So we are looking for a charismatic Indian entrepreneur. We are in talks with several who join our board. We are also talking to entrepreneurs out of Silicon Valley. We are also going to USA and interacting with them. We hope to get some of them on board. Because we believe that the startup ecosystem is global now. And organizations grow global very quickly. So with that organization, with the infrastructure which we have created, plus we are also setting up a big fund, which we are calling as a Tea Innovation Fund. We are in talk with some fund managers. We hope to raise about $100 million. I think raising funds will not be an issue. And that fund will be dedicated to startups out of T-Hub and also to good startups outside, but at least the startups in T-Hub will be the prime focus. So with this fund, our idea, this is where the government role ends. Our idea is that the startups will be attracted to come there, to set up their ideas, to try out their things, and hopefully succeed. I believe in startup ecosystem, failures are welcome and are celebrated, because out of failures only future successes are born and great lessons learned. So fail and succeed. So I should modify it. So that is the broadly that we are planning and intending to achieve. Our company is already incorporated. Board places are partially filled up. The building will be ready by 2nd June, hopefully. We also already have taken Mr. Srinivas. Srinivas, you can, he is already joined us. We are also looking for a top-notch CEO. So if you know of good people who you feel are, who want to move from actually starting startups to be a part of growing other startups. So if you know such people, anyone from any part of the country or even from abroad who is willing to work this, please suggest names. We already have appointed an executive search firm. They are in searching for talent. So hopefully the team will be ready, available, and we should have some small system running by middle of this year. And if it succeeds, and I think with your energies, it should succeed, we have an ambitious plan to convert it into a bigger space, to link up with other academic colleges in the country, and to create a network of incubators. So if this and then we have a lot of opportunities which are there. Country is vast, there are huge opportunities. So once it succeeds, we may even diversify from IT into other sectors which are also relevant for growth, which have a lot of opportunities. So that is the initial tentative steps that this state has taken. And I thought, and this will be providing me a good opportunity to address all of you and to invite all of you to participate in it. There are, in that design, we have looked at the life cycle of a startup. So it has 800 seats. This building will have 800 seats, and then there will be, meeting halls, there will be cafes, places where people can sit and chat. So leaving aside this, about 800 seats it has, which we have divided into 3 stages of the life cycle. The beginning, which is the initial stage, which we have called the launch pad, where you come with just a group of people will come with an idea. Perhaps even the company is not incorporated, it's just an idea. And that is the beginning stage, which we call the launchpad. About 50%, 400 seats are allocated to that. Second stage is what we are calling the accelerator phase. So that is the age where the company is incorporated, idea is validated, initial funding has been obtained, and the company is in the process of exploring the market, reaching its market. So, and the third phase, which is the early growth phase, where the early market connect has also been established. Now the company is in the process of growing. So these are the three stages where we have put. So 400 seats are for the launchpad, 200 are for accelerator, and 200 are for propeller. So we will have funding for the people who are in the accelerator stage. That is, people who come from the launchpad to accelerator. If they qualify, they will get funding. And this Telangana Innovation Fund will be dedicated to the companies in the propel, in the early growth phase, who are looking for investments between 1 crore to 5 crores. So they will be for those type of companies. But suggestions are welcome. If you feel that we need to improve on our system, or do you feel that there are good people whom we should connect, we welcome, because the whole concept of startup is networking, connecting to others, then only the entire system works. So I thought I'll use this opportunity to address you, and I thank the organizers, Srimati Preeti Gaikwad and her team, for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.